Hi everyone. So now we have pretty rare radio. It's Magnat MC-7034 from 1990s and it's brand new in box with all accessories. Since it's new old stock, we still had to change the belts, clean everything what's inside, and we did manage to install Bluetooth. Okay, so at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Okay, let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are perfect. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to go from FM mode to middle waves or long waves, which we don't use anymore. So simply press this band button a couple times until you reach the middle waves. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now we're on middle waves, which means the Bluetooth is activated on the phone. Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth, wait a few seconds. Here it is. Simply connect it. That's it. Bluetooth now it's connected and you can play any music you have on your phone. And this time we go for YouTube. That's it. Very simple. Cool, right? Let's try another song. Wait a few moments. For some reason. Yeah. So when you want to back to your regular radio, simply press this band button once or twice until you're back to FM mode. That's it. You're back to your regular radio. Cool, right? Thumbs up, guys.